In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can start creating AI images straight from Canva. So Canva has incorporated these new features, and these are powerful AI features that can help you generate AI images straight from your account. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Now to get started, we have this Canva AI feature that we are going to use. Alternatively, if we head over to this menu, you can also see here we have Canva AI. So go ahead and click on it. And from here, we can now begin either creating a design, you can create an image, you can draft a document, as well as you can code. So to create an image, just go ahead and paste your prompt here. And here is my image prompt that I want to create. Now to generate our image, just head over to this submit option and then tap on it to submit. From here, Canva will go ahead and generate your style. Canva will go ahead and generate your image as you wish. And below here, you can see our images are being created, and they are being created in the aspect ratio of 16:9. And look at that, we can now look at them. They are ready. That is the first image that we have just created. And you can see these images are of high quality and hyper realistic. So look at that, they are just great. Now to download these images, just head over to download option here, and once you tap on it, the image will come straight to your computer. And one thing you discover is this is a free to use image. It has no watermark. So if I go ahead and open it, you can see how beautiful this image is. It has no any watermark. If you want to use your image for your creation, just go over to this edit and then click on it, and you'll now start using your image for your creation. You can now begin editing. So from here, go ahead and add any effects that you so wish on this image. So that's how you create AI images straight from Canva. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.